morning. My name is Jeff Reber, I'm lead TSM with Composites One. Welcome to the RTM Light work cell. Yesterday, we cranked through about 20 parts. You can see them all stacked up in this work cell. So the demo zone is brought to you by Composites One and the Closed Mold Alliance. Closed Mold Alliance is Composites One, RTM North, and MVP. You basically buy closed molding materials, injection equipment, and tooling, as well as get tooling design consultation from RTM North.
What we're going to do is we're going to inject this skateboard. We've preset our counter, and what we've done is we've got our clamping pressure on the peripheral here, which is holding the mold closed. This is our full vacuum here. This is the cavity vacuum, which is going to our vent. And so we're going to inject it, that port there. It's going to travel around the perimeter, fill into the middle, and go to the vent pot. Okay? Okay, go ahead.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. I'm hitting inject on the innovator tube, which is now going to send resin from throughout the system, and you can see following here it's being delivered to the part.
So you're going to see the resin flow here.
How are we doing on flow, Doug? This is good.
More pressure or less?
No, it's fine.
So it's basically a channel around the perimeter of the mold for the resin to flow through. So basically you're wetting out through that channel, and then it's closing up to this vent where the vacuum is being drawn. So you have a combination of half an atmosphere of vacuum drawing the resin. There's also some positive pressure on the pump pushing the resin as well.
So we're running about 17 psi on the pump, and we're running 16 psi vacuum negative on the cavity. And as Jeff said, what's happening is instead of this traditional way of doing standard RTM where you inject in the middle of the part and draw vacuum to the peripheral, it's opposite. So we do not, we have a resin runner that runs around the outside, which attracts the material. And of course, then we're injecting from the whole peripheral, so we don't build the hydraulic pressure up that you would in a standard RTM.
Stop it.
Yeah. So any residual air that's in there is now coming out through the tube. As soon as we get this through, we'll tap it off. Actually, yesterday we made 20 odd parts, and that was the amount of waste we had from the 20 parts that we made.
You see how easily that pulled off, and now you'll get that consistency time after time.
So you got to see us mold a part from essentially loading the glass, injecting the resin, and then demolding the counter mold. We'll be building some more parts in this cell this afternoon.